There's a few reasons why I pick up the X3 over any action camera when I leave the house to go out, just for a walk or an adventure, or if we're just doing something normal, everyday life. It's the first camera I think of to take with me. Like I said, a few reasons, but the main reason, number one, is that you shoot first and point later. It's so simple to use. Along with the app and the editing software, just makes everything so seamless and easy. Yes, okay, you've got the option to maybe take a GoPro or a DJI Action 3, and wherever you shoot, wherever you point the camera, it picks that up. But that one extra step for me is totally worth it for the extra creativity and fun this camera brings. So you can edit in the app, which is brilliant. There's the shot lab, there's stories, there's different effects you can add to add different aspects and different creative options to your videos. It's so simple. I've done a bunch of videos on editing 360 footage. I'll link them up above and just below the like button down there so you can check them out. But the app is brilliant. Everybody's got a mobile device these days. It's available on Android and iOS, so anybody can edit this footage once you've recorded it. Seamless, really easy, and yeah, like I said, it just makes everything so fun and easy to do. There is the option to expand the editing process with the desktop studio. You can download that for Mac or Windows, and it's easy as well. You can pick it up very quickly. Even if you've got very limited knowledge on editing any kind of video, you'll pick it up really quickly. So my first main point for picking the X3 up over any other camera is the fact you can shoot first, point later. So all you do is hold the camera out in front of you, you've got the invisible selfie stick removed, and then whatever you want to pick up in the frame, you can sort of edit that afterwards. And that is the deal breaker for me and why I pick this camera up over every other camera. There's other things that make this camera easy to use, and another few reasons why I pick this up over something like the GoPro or the DJI Action 3. One is the big screen. This on the new X3, the big screen is brilliant. It's a lot bigger than other screens on action cameras, and you can navigate around and change the settings and see yourself, all with this, I mean, big screen. It's very, very big. Also, you can add external audio with the likes of this Cold Shoe and the Rode Wireless Go 2. You can fit that up with the microphone adapter. I'll link everything in the description down below, but you can add this external audio, which is as well invisible, so you don't see it. I've got the Rode receiver on me there, and you'll get great external audio with a setup like this. I've done a whole video on this setup. I will link it up above, but I'll link all everything you need in the description down below. The Rode Wireless Go 2 is probably my go-to wireless microphone. I know, excuse the pun, but this setup is another reason for picking up this camera first. Great external audio, great video. It's all invisible. You get that wicked third-person look, like you've got your own camera crew filming you. So yeah, there's just a bunch of reasons that stack up why I always pick up this camera first. Sure, you probably get better quality from something like the GoPro. If like picture quality is upmost, then you go for something like the GoPro or the Osmo Action 3, but it's still pretty good. It's 5.7K 30 frames per second. There's a bunch of other features thrown into this camera, like me mode, 8K time lapses with this camera, 3K slow motion just introduced with a recent update. Yeah, the quality for me is good enough, and for action sports, I think it's probably the go-to camera as well. But just because simply of that shoot first, point later opportunity that you've got with the post editing. So yes, you can get really good quality pictures from other cameras. Nothing looks great this year in the UK anyway. It's dull. We're in the woods and it doesn't look great. But I'll say it again, for me, the X3 with the external audio, the big screen, the good quality, and the fact that you can shoot first and point later, just all stacks up to be the camera I pick up first. And that is the reason why I love it. It's brilliant. But that's it for this video. I wanted to just tell you a few reasons why I love this camera again. It is great, and it's just the camera I tend to pick up first whenever I leave the house. Okay, that's it for this one. Make sure you do subscribe, press the bell so you don't miss any future uploads. Plenty of videos coming very, very soon. Until next time, I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.